Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dustin, and in today's video is going to be this chit chat get ready with me while I attempt to do the I'm cold makeup look, along with sharing some new makeup techniques I've been doing as of late. So if you want to see how it turns out and get ready together, just keep on watching. So I'm going to go ahead and apply sunscreen first. Then I'm going to go in with the Glow Recipe Watermelon Niacinamide Dewdrops. Alrighty, and for foundation, I'm going to go in with the tried and true NARS Light Reflecting foundation. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend it out with a cushion puff. Okay, oh my god, I have so much to update you guys on. So a lot has happened within the past couple of months. So I would say the most big thing that happened is I am now 20, which is kind of crazy to me still. I haven't really said it out loud like ever. But yes, I'm 20 now. I'm no longer a teenager. And so far, the start of my 20s honestly isn't that bad. And I hope it continues to go well for me. I'm now gonna go in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. So what I did for my birthday this year, I think the biggest thing was I redid my room. I completely redid it, where like I had gotten new furniture, I rearranged my room as well, and then completely painted my doors and baseboards, and then repainted the walls a new coat of white. And I just felt like so much like bad things had happened to me when I was 19, and I kind of just needed a fresh start when I turned 20. So for my birthday, my dad and friends helped me redo my room. And by help me, I mean mainly do all the heavy stuff and building low-key. I'm just kidding, but not. But I did appreciate it. I didn't do anything big. I did go to like, I guess my first quote-unquote like adult dinner. It was honestly really fun, and I was surrounded by people who I care about and I love. Another big thing that also happened was, I don't know if you can tell, but I got a camera upgrade. So I got a new camera, like my main camera. So I used to use a Panasonic Lumix G7, I think that's what it's called from what I remember. But now I updated my main filming camera to the Canon R50. So I'm next gonna go ahead and set my face, but I've been doing it kind of differently. So we all know that I'm dried skin now, and I love setting my face with a powder puff. However, I realized that like when I go straight in with the powder puff, it kind of lifts my concealer. So what I do now is I just take a small fluffy brush like this and just add a thin layer of my powder and just go ahead and lightly set it first, so that overall the concealer's around my eyes set, and then I go in with the powder puff. Okay, then now going in with the powder puff. Also, I really hope that you guys don't hear my neighbor not mowing a lawn, but like leaf blowing. But honestly, probably could be mowing a lawn. Who knows? With the weather right now in Georgia, it's been like getting hot and then cold again, and then hot and cold again. So my skin has been flaring up with dry patches no matter how much I moisturize. If you have any good moisturizer recommendations, please let me know in the comments, because I desperately need it. So around my eye area and then my chin and upper lip area, I do the powder puff. But then for the rest of my face, I'm just gonna go in with a regular I'm just gonna go in with a regular fluffy brush. But yeah, so back to being 20. I've been enjoying it. Taught me a lot of things so far while being 20, is that I genuinely cherish the people that are currently in my life. I'm kind of at that point of my life of all the friends that I make now, it's not friends that I'm just making just to be friends because we interact with each other every day. Unlike when we used to be in high school, we kind of just made friends because we would see that person every day. But being an adult now, I feel like the friends I have now that actually puts in the time and effort to like schedule to hang out and everything like that, I'm just like, okay, these are the people that I'm like inviting to my wedding. Again, this is a new camera and I'm still trying to like kind of figure it out. I feel like I look really blown out right now with the ISO. Normally this is my winter foundation. Why is it so blown out? Anyways, you know, again, my makeup is trust the process and we've been over that multiple times. But yeah, entering adulthood, kind of fun, kind of not, you know, you have to start, you know, well, I've always make sure I get my finances right. Am I always on top of it? No, but do I do it? Yes. So that's one thing that I guess I would say kind of sucks at being an adult is your finances, but you kind of need it. Okay, wait, I think I kind of fixed the lighting a bit. Okay, I was able to fix it. But now I'm just gonna go in and contour my nose and my jaw. Let's go ahead and move on to eyes because I'm actually kind of excited to show you guys what new things that I've been doing. So yeah, let's go on to eyes. So on a fluffy brush, I'm just gonna go in with a kind of light pink. So for the I'm cold makeup look, I kind of just want a wash of color over the eyes, and I'm also gonna bring that down to my lower eyelid as well. Now I'm just gonna go in with the darker pink of the palette and just apply that to the outer lower lash line. Okay, taking like this pinky brown shade, I'm just gonna go ahead and draw in my lower wing. One thing I like about having nails is I can use it to like kind of clean up the edges. Next, mixing the dark pink shade and the brown, I'm just gonna go ahead and draw in my Aegyo. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply glitter onto the middle of my lower lash line, like right under my eye. I'm gonna apply it in the inner corner as well. And then going in with my finger, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the glitter to the middle of my eyelid. And then as I'm going closer to the top, I'm gonna start spreading it out a little more. You see, it just looks like your eyelids are wet. I'm telling you, I think Flower Nose never misses with their glitters. So now I go in with a like beige gel liner and I go ahead and water my lower lash line all the way to the middle of the lower lash line. Okay, so another new thing that I've been doing is I started using individual eyelashes. My lashes are already pretty long, I would say, and I could throw on mascara and call it a day. But for certain looks and glams, I do go in with like these individuals. I forgot where I got these from. If I can't find where I got these from, I will find some similar ones and link it down below. So I'm just gonna go ahead and curl my lashes first. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It comes in two and I just cut it in half. So I dip it in the glue and I make sure that the top of the lash band has glue on it because I am gluing this under my lashes. I go ahead and I apply it pretty much at the center of my eyelid, like so. So going in with the smaller one, I'm applying it kind of like next to, but like leaving a little gap. And this is what it pretty much looks like. So this is what it looks without. This is what it looks with. And I feel like it blends in with my natural lashes pretty well, so it doesn't look too much on me. Okay, and then now going in with my favorite mascara, I'm just gonna apply it. Okay, and then for blush, we're gonna go in with a True Cool Tone blush. I'm low-key kind of rushing because my battery is like flashing on me. And I'm kind of scared I might die in the middle of the video. Okay, so battery in fact did die on me. So I went ahead and just did my hair, set my face with my NYX setting spray, and then also applied eyebrow gel. We are here to do lips together. So let's go ahead and do our lips. So I'm gonna be taking two lip liners like I did in my last video. So I'm still gonna go in with a lighter pink shade to do the overall base, and then taking the darker pink shade, I'm just gonna like line like the top of my lip and like the bottom to make it look bigger. So for the actual lip color, I'm gonna go in with the Flower Nose Chocolate Series Cloud Lip Cream in the shade Pink Cashmere. Okay, and because I have chronically dry lips during the winter seasons or just colder weathers in general, I'm gonna go in with the Flower Nose Lip Shine in also shade, oh, not Pink Cashmere, but both of them are in the shade 04, like that's their number. And that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed getting ready with me and how the look turned out. If you like me, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also don't forget to follow me on all my other socials at 803THN. And until next time, I'll see you in the next video.